Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade lemonade. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and clean water. You'll also need a few basic tools like a citrus juicer, a large pitcher, and a stirring spoon. Selecting ripe, firm lemons will ensure the most vibrant and refreshing flavor for your drink. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion. To begin, roll your lemons firmly on a countertop before cutting them in half. This helps release more juice. Squeeze approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice into a bowl, making sure to remove any seeds. Next, prepare a simple syrup by dissolving about 1 cup of granulated sugar in 1 cup of hot water. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved, creating a clear, sweet base for your lemonade. Now it's time to combine everything. Pour your freshly squeezed lemon juice and the cooled sugar syrup into your large pitcher. Gradually add 3 to 4 cups of cold water, stirring well after each addition. This allows you to control the strength and sweetness. Taste your lemonade and adjust by adding a little more water or a touch more sugar syrup if needed, until it's just right. Finally, your homemade lemonade is ready to enjoy. For the best experience, pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glass. You can also add a few thin lemon slices or a sprig of fresh mint for a lovely garnish. Store any leftover lemonade in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This easy guide helps you create a perfectly refreshing beverage every time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.